I don't need all this. Will you go away with that camera? Back. Get away from me. Go! Go! I'm going to put a curse on you. I'm going to put a curse on you. I'll put a spell on you. Go away. You're annoying me right now a lot. Hello, you want me to carve? Carve? Put the camera down. Hello? I'm coming. Get that camera.